Hello and welcome to How to Pronounce Spanish. Today's phrase is how are you? For this phrase, we'll review a formal and an informal way to use it. Use the formal way, for example, when addressing your elders. You should say, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Informally, you can replace usted with tú, or even ignore it. For example, ¿Cómo estás tú? Or simply, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And that's all for today. Check out these other videos to help you with your Spanish. And if you found this video useful, share it and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.